C'est elle, bébé c'est toi j'attends depuis longtemps. Bella, pour toi je toucherai même le sommet. Mais là j'en peux plus, bébé j'en peux plus hein. Moi je cherche l'amour, toi tu joues de l'amour. Moi j'en peux plus des sacrées prises de tête. Pour toi j'ai donné ce que j'avais.
Hello guys, Krishna here from 𝗪𝗪𝘁 𝗪𝗂𝘀 studio again at our shop now. So, okay, let's see. So we have Lexus RX. I think the pre-facelift model 2018. Now undergoing the maintenance work after 2 years of applying ceramic coating. And now we have the special unit to race the first unit in our shop. Actually, we are doing Lexus RX 350 2023 model. So now we are applying the front part paint protection film. It's quite hard actually because you can see the grill. So now we are applying on the front bonnet, and then after this we're gonna apply in front bumper. Okay, so and also this customer is from Singapore, as you guys can see the number plates. So in Malaysia, I think Lexus Malaysia haven't bring this unit yet, coming soon. So one of the earliest Lexus RX in Johor now.
𝗲𝗵𝘁 𝗂𝗫𝗀𝗀 𝗂𝗪𝙑